क्या हो रहा है उसमें?
क्या हो रहा है?
बहुत सारी इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं।
आप थकी हुई हो? आप यू ओके? यू टायर्ड?
Describe all of it.
Already.
What's all of this?
It's a cultural festival. It's had many events. बहुत सारे events हैं. Dancing, singing, blah 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 blah. छोटे-छोटे events भी हैं. जैसे baking, nothing. What is that? And it's just busy. It's just crowd.
अंशिका आपने 2 बार फॉर्म भरा. एक बार आपने भरा था and you came up to the GT.
Yeah.
And you filled up the form again. That craze for the event. Okay, Anshika, इसमें आपने लिखा I'm good at in the adventurous thing. You've done that. There is this time I climbed down a hillock in a rainy weather.
Yeah.
ये क्या adventure?
It was stupid. Okay, I was just there's this hillock in Mumbai, and I was climbing up through a regular stairs thing. It had a stairs thing. I was climbing up, and then my friend said we should just come down the other way, which was all grassy and hilly area, and it was not safe. Okay.
Where is it?
It's in Navi Mumbai.
Okay.
So we just climbed down, and it was rainy. It was slippery. I almost lost my phone. I almost lost my camera, but it was fun. That's
So
fun.
that was adventurous.
Yeah,
If you would actually lost your camera and phone, that would be adventurous.
that would be bad.
That would be adventurous.
That would be bad. That wouldn't be adventurous. That would be bad.
Okay, tell us something else about you.
I am just all jumpy and hyperactive. I just like to, play around. But I get nervous sometimes when the workload is high. I just, I'm not able to take up pressure very easily. But I do try.
आप प्रेशर नहीं ले सकते तो फिर आप आगे के राउंड्स में कैसे जाओगे?
I said I do try.
Okay, आपने इसमें लिखा है कि live in relationships. You said that it is girls get trapped into the whims of idiotic guys.
Yeah, it's
Can't it be the other way around?
Yeah, it can
Guys
be.
getting trapped into the whims of idiotic
It
girls.
can be the other way around. It
Then-
can be the other way around. It
So
can
you
be.
can't you're such a sexist in that. You
No,
can't
I
be
didn't
you can't be
mean-
biased towards men.
Because generally men.
Generally.
Generally.
Girls get trapped.
Okay.
Generally, girls get trapped.
Generally. I use
Girls
the
get
word
trapped.
generally.
See, I have a live example of guy getting trapped. So, okay. Anyway, आपके form से मेरे को लगा कि you've hidden something in you. You usually behave. Your answers reflect something that you're hiding something from the outer world. Is there something bad that has happened with you that you're hiding with the world from the world?
No,
ऐसा क्यों लगता है तुमको?
I don't know. It's your perception.
कि आप में आपकी लाइफ में कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है जिसको आप छुपा के रखती है उससे
Exactly.
हमेशा
मेरे को
दूर
आपका
भागती है?
form पढ़ के ही है।
मेरे को भी फॉर्म पढ़ के ही है।
मतलब something you are.
There is something
There's
bad that has
something
happened
you
with
are
you
hiding from us.
and you always
No,
avoid that. Avoid talking about that.
No, it's not like that. If you're saying something like that, then I would say कि yeah, I wanted to. I lost my grandmom and granddad before I was even born, and I had this, my chacha's grandfather, and I really wanted to talk to him, but he was really strict. Okay, so I always wished I could talk to him, and the day I decided that I will go and talk to him, that day he died. And I was so frustrated. I felt so bad that whole my life I couldn't talk to him. I wished I had a grandfather. He was there. I couldn't go up to him and he died. And I just feel really bad about that. And I know it's the biggest mistake of my life. It's the biggest ever
See,
mistake.
that's not your mistake. That was
That's not.
No, that is my mistake. I could have gone to him earlier. I was just stupid. I didn't go to him. And I feel really, really bad about it. Really bad. So that's the thing. Yeah, I guess you're talking about that. I don't know.
Anshika, are you single?
Complicated actually. I have
So
a
is it
friend.
better to be single or committed or?
It's not about. I don't
Have you ever
know.
been in a relationship?
No, this complicated thing. It's my friend thinks I'm in a relationship with him, but I don't really feel that way. So
What he feels?
You're single.
What does he feel?
he feels that we are really close friends. I share everything with him, and he he's very particular about celebrating things also. The day we met and blah blah blah. So I like that, but I don't know. Since he's somewhere else and somewhere else, so it's not really compatible these days. But we are trying to make it work, and if it does work, then fine. I'm in a relationship for
ठीक है अंशिका आपके बारे में कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बताओ कुछ ऐसा अभी ऐसा हो गया जैसे थोड़ा दुखी टाइप हो गया सैडिस्टिक एनवायरनमेंट हो गया थोड़ा आप हैप्पी करो इसको
An idiotic girl trapping a guy.
Yeah, an idiotic girl trapping a guy. Guy getting trapped by an idiotic girl. See?
Interesting thing about me.
You've written in your introduction that you're a interesting
You
girl.
are an adventurous kind of person.
So क्या है adventure? मतलब
तो आपकी तो आगे ग्राउंड से बैंड बजने वाली है.
आगे ग्राउंड में बजने वाली है.
Listen, I said
You give it a
I
try.
try.
Give it a
try. Yeah, I'll give it a try. I'm all about trying things. I'm all about trying things. I jump into everything. I just go on jumping from here and there. I like to jump into things, but I'm not really.
Can you do 5 push-ups for us?
5 push-ups.
You said you should try. You're going to try.
Like 5 push-ups.
Push-ups, okay.
5 push-ups, exactly. मतलब जो push-ups होते हैं.
Can somebody show it to me?
Yeah. This?
Yeah. 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 1.
No.
No?
No.
No, that is 0. 1, 2, 1.5. That is 1.5. That is 1.6 now.
Oh. Okay, I'll try again.
You want to try again?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Bring the shoulders down.
ठीक है. That was 1.8 and 9 and then 2.0. Anshika, you don't have a Facebook account.
Why?
I did back in the day. No.
Why?
There were a lot of reasons. I had my exams, 10th board coming up. My mom didn't like me spending time on it. I had a friend, and I had a creepy stalker friend who used to, write bad things about me on the Facebook wall.
Okay.
So I thought I should stop.
You should just block that stalker.
I tried blocking. He made another account.
Stalkers, creepy ones. Okay, Anshika, I think that would be all. We love talking to you. Thank you so much. And be happy always.
Yeah.